Okay, class. Good morning to all of you. Now, in the previous class, we have seen. Yeah, good morning. Good morning. In the previous class, we have seen logical operator. That is how we are going to use the and logical operator. Okay. I think the concept is clear to all of you. Today, we are going to see the logical operator or, as I have discussed in the message that I have given you. In the previous class, I have discussed the different logical operators. Can anyone, actually, I forgot something, that how and when I am going to use the logical operator and or. When we are going to use the and operator and when we are going to use the or operator.
How did we use the and or command in the previous program? I can't understand it clearly.
I have not used the or operator in the previous one. Today we are going to discuss that.
What is that?
Okay, so I want to know that I have discussed only how what are the and operator and or that is the logical operators and how they operate basically, how they are going to give us the result. So can anyone tell me that when we are going to use the and operator and when we are going to use the or operator? How will you know that when you have to use the and operator and when you have to use the or operator?
We have to use and when we have to check that both the conditions must be true.
Excellent, Shantanu. Yeah, very good. So, what about the or?
Sir, either one of the conditions we use or when either one is true or sir, either one of the conditions must be true.
Okay, fine. Yeah, Devashri, you are saying something. Please continue. Devashri,
Yes, sir.
yeah, you are saying something. Continue. I want to
Yes,
listen
sir.
from you also.
Okay, sir. The OR operator is used for either one of the other condition must be true.
Okay.
The OR operator is used.
Okay. So I'm going to present and I will discuss in detail again. Okay, so that you will able to differentiate and you will know that when and where we had to use these two different operators in different situations. So what are the conditions for using the AND operator and what are the conditions for using the OR operator? Okay, so I'm presenting. I hope that all of you can see my okay. Spandan is joined.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let me discuss this AND operator or the operator. Okay, logical operator. Now here in the logical operator you can see operands. Okay, I will make it big so that it is visible to all of you. So the operand A and B are the operands which are basically the relation operators. Okay, I am going to test the output of these relational operators. If the output is true and when the output is true for the both the relational operators and I want that something I have to do, some action I have to perform. If both of them are true, then I'm going to use the AND operator. Okay. Now, if situation says that okay, if anyone is true or if both are true, then I have to perform some action. Okay, I have to take some decision. At that time, I'm going to use the OR operator. Here in OR operator, any one of the output of the relational operators, that is the operand, can be false. This is a very important difference between the and the OR operator when you are going to use. In OR operator, as is written down, you can see it clearly that if any of the condition is true, any of the condition is true. then the output will be true. But in case of AND, both the conditions must be true. Okay. So last time I have given some examples regarding the use of the AND operator. Yes,
Sir, your voice is breaking.
my voice is breaking. Is it for all of you or is it for only the one who is saying?
No, sir, your voice is clear. Sir, it is sometimes that your voice is clear. No, sir,
Okay,
your voice is clear.
okay, fine. Now the situation here is
Sir, your voice is clear.
okay. Wait,
Sir, what is unity operator?
unary operator is the not operator. Here is the unary operator. Okay, as you're seeing from here. Okay, it says that at it will use only one operand. See, it is going to use only B. That is only one operand. So this is a unary operator. When a operator use two operands, then it is known as a binary operators. Till now, you have seen both unary and binary operators. Okay, now not is a unary operator, but previously we are dealing with all the binary operators only. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
just a moment.
Meaning of finance. Yes, sir.
Okay, you are asking me what happened? Is my sound is echoing? Now is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, fine. Super okay. Now the thing is here, who had asked me this China binary operator. I think you should go and refer your maths book also for uh, getting more details because in maths plus minus all those are binary operators. You must have read it. Means when you are going to use the two particular operands, 2 plus 4. Okay, so 2 and 4 are the operands. So it acts
Sir,
on
there are some commands like if you basic operators in basic like sin and pass.
what?
Sir, there are in basic there are some commands like sin and pass.
Okay, so what they do, Harshvardhan?
Sir, sir, there I was doubtful because it was showing the sines and cosines.
Okay, see, this is therefore I said this is the trigonometry use of the trigonometric operations. Okay, this you have not yet read. This you will find in class 9 or probably in class 10. Okay, so you will not able to understand those concepts now. If you want, then you have to go through the class 10 books. Okay,
Okay, sir.
if you're really interested in that, but you should not. What I mean to say, you should not disturb your class 6 course. Okay, okay. Now, now here OR operator and AND operator. I'm discussing that. Now I'm going to give you a situation. Okay, say for example, from government has announced that from see this is simply an example. Okay, don't take it as real fact. Okay, the example is government has announced that from the 1st of November, after 1st of November, the school will open. Okay, the students are allowed to enter in the school premise only if they get their consent form from the parents. Now there are two conditions here. Okay, one condition after 1st of November. Second condition, there should be consent form. So if I place a robot in the gate, okay, then how he will allow a student to enter the school? What type of logical operator I should use so that he can decide properly there? Yes, anyone? I Shivam.
Can you repeat the question? I did not hear you. Your
शिवम
voice was
क्यों
breaking.
नु खेली बोले आरंभ कर
Can
सकते
you
हो
repeat the
कौन
question?
ना
Your voice was breaking. Your voice is breaking.
okay the my question is suppose the
Your voice is
scenario
breaking very much.
suppose the scenario is
Repeat the question.
okay I will type the question okay I'll type the question I'm typing it in the chat box okay no can you listen me because writing takes more time can you listen me
Yes, sir.
so if you can listen me it is better to say okay I'm repeating the question again the question is the first scenario or the first condition is that after 1st of November the school will open okay the second condition and those students are allowed to enter the school premise if they have a consent form from their parents. Now I will place a robot in front of a gate, okay, and how he will decide that which student should go in or which student he should allow to go into the school. So if I write a program, then what type of
Is it just a fact? Any discussion?
it is simply a scenario. It may not be a real fact. Okay. So the how you are going to write a program so that the robot will allow a student to enter the school.
Wow, sir, super.
Yes, tell me.
It's a great program, sir. I'm very happy to put it.
Okay, fine. Now you tell me the code of that. Which logical operator I'm going to use?
I am planning it. Is it time?
Yes.
Sir, sir, it is similar. Very hard.
अरे यार scenario means the situation. Yeah, Harshvardhan, what you're saying?
Sir, sir, I think many of the students do not know that the student we are using is a compiler and the compiler is called 2064.
Okay, now please, this will not discuss here. Okay, now see, we are going to use the and here. Okay, we are going to use the and here because the robot has to check both the conditions. First condition is that it should be November. Okay, if it is November, then only he will allow the students to enter the school premise. Second condition is that there should be a consent form. So when I am saying the statement, you have to, or when you are reading the question, okay, you have to see what type of words are going to be used. Okay, let us take the next the scenario. Okay, suppose you are planning to play football, okay, or some any other game, say outside, not indoor, okay, outside, and you are saying that okay, if there are more than 6 friends, then we will start a match. Okay, this is the first condition. Second condition is that someone say, "Agre yaar, today the weather is not so good. It may rain." Okay, then you say, "Arey, in rain It is good to play in rain. We should come and enjoy the rain also while playing. Okay, clear? Is it clear, class? Okay. Now, at evening it is raining. Okay, and six, say seven of you came to the ground. So, are you going to play football? Are you going to play?
Of course, sir.
So, how you reach the decision? Here, what logical operator are you using to decide? Here, whatever logical operator you are using to decide. Yeah, it is or operator. Yeah, because here you say one of the friends है बारिश आएगा खेलेंगे नहीं खेलेंगे. So अगर बारिश आएगा तब भी खेलेंगे, नहीं आएगा तब भी खेलेंगे. Got it? Yeah, both are true or false. But the second condition is also important. Means both the conditions, any of the conditions is true, then it means that you will play. If say less than six students came, say less than six of your friends came, but the weather is very good. अरे चलो खेलते हैं कुछ. Okay, so here all condition you will use. Now let us see a practical scenario where basically we are going to use a or operator. All of you are good in English, am I right? I forgot what are vowels. I forgot what are vowels. Okay. Arey, I am a really see listen. I am a very poor student. I am really duffer. Okay, I can't get you. Please explain properly. I am very poor student. Now you have to explain me properly. Okay. This is a scenario I am saying. Okay, this is not practical because the way you are saying, see the see the way you are saying, I can't get the thing. Yeah, I am a very bad student, very poor student. Yes. Sir, what are the rest other vowels? Say me clearly. No, I can't get you. Okay. Okay. Now, now see the way I'm saying the statement. Okay. Now listen carefully the way I'm saying you the statement that what are vowels. Listen carefully. Okay. Vowels are those characters, okay, which which can be either A or E or I or U. Listen the statement carefully. Vowels are those alphabets which can be either A, E, I or U. Now, if I want to write a program, to check whether a vowel is entered or a consonant is entered. Okay, then whatever logical operator I should use. Yes, class. Yes, yes. Why you are saying or? Why? Why? You are right. We have to check whether B is a vowel or not. No, now you see according to the statement that I said. What I said, a vowel are those characters which can be either A or, E, or, I, or, you. In this statement only, I am using what word? Yes, yes, yes. So I'm going to use the or operator. Why not? Now see the, yeah. Now see the other fact. At the same time, okay. At the same time, listen carefully. At the same time, I can't enter A, E, I, O, U. Can I enter at the same time? If I have to use the AND operator, then all these should be entered at the same time. It is not possible. So I'm going to use the OR operator. Now see the program that can be written with the help of this to check this. Okay. See this program. Okay. RAM. Can you see the presentation? RAM to check whether the entered character is a vowel or not. CLS input enter a character CH dollar. Now here I'm using a particular function known as UCase dollar. What it will do? It will convert the CH dollar whatsoever and is entered in CH dollar into uppercase, okay, or the capital letter. Because if you will not do, then sometime a user is very moody, he may enter capital word then, and you may not use your program may not able to check it correctly. So what I'm doing, I'm simply ignoring what the user is entering. I'm converting into the capital letter and I'm checking it. So I am storing the uppercase letter, converting the CS dollar what's stored in again CS dollar. Okay, and then now see the statement. If CS dollar is equal to A, or CS dollar is equal to E, or CS dollar is equal to I, or, are you seeing the use of or? Now here, if the first evaluate these two. Okay, this is PS dollar is equal to A. Okay, if I entered A, okay, suppose, okay, if I entered A, then it is E. Okay, true or false? Okay, true. Now here the output is true. Okay, then again I will compare T or F. Okay, again it is true. So if any of these will be true, the output will be true. Are you getting it? If any of these relational operator is CS dollar, you should, huh? Okay, see the next line. If I have to use the AND operator is not possible here. Okay, because at the same time, a character that is entered can't be A, can't be E, can't be I. Only one character I'm entering. Okay, so I can use the AND operator. Now see the next line. It is quite interesting one. Here I have used a new particular function and plus and I have used a plus operator also. Okay, in the print statement, this plus operator is known as a concatenation operator. Okay, and this CS dollar 34, this CHR dollar 34, this is going to return me double quotes because here it is not possible for me to write double quotes in the print statement. Okay, so I have used in that way, and then the remaining I will show you the output. So print enter character CS dollar. The next one is simple one. You will see the difference between these two. Okay, so let me run it. अरे यार आ जाना. Okay, so I am entering say first in small letter E. Okay, then see the out. Got it? Yes. Now, now I am entering the character. Okay, say T. Okay, see the output carefully. Okay, the way the output is shown to you. This entered character T is a consonant, and I will show you the previous one again. F5. You can see both the output how it looks like. अरे कहाँ गया वो? Okay, so this time I take you. Okay, and enter. Can you see the output? The output is little bit. See here, the output you will see double quotes. In the previous one, you're not seeing the double quotes. So this double quote is because of this plus CSR dollar 34 plus. This CS dollar is the U here. Okay, CS dollar is the U plus CHR dollar 34 plus is the again the double quotes here, and it is joining the remaining with the is a vowel. I think it is clear to all of you. Yes. Okay. Now let us take another example of use of the
Yes, sir.
OR operator. I think all of you are very good in maths. Most of you are good in maths. Am I right? Now,
Yes,
I
sir.
actually I am also again not so good in maths. Okay, I want to know when a given number is divisible by 2, how you will check that divisibility whether a number is divided by 2 or not by just looking to it. Can you help me out? I don't know. I want to write a program on that.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So help
Sir,
me
are you
out.
present to anything?
Yeah.
Sir, are you presenting?
Okay,
But
Sulajit.
I don't see anything. No,
Sulajit, you want to present?
no, sir. I can't see your presentation.
Or maybe there's a network problem in your area, beta. You leave the meeting.
I'm using.
Yeah, leave the meeting and join again. Okay. Yes. So who is going to help me out? We have nearly 23 mm, bright brains out there. Okay. So all 23 intelligent brains are there. So help me out here. I'm fussing and fussing. I stuck somewhere. You have to help me out. I don't know how to program it now. And I stuck in how to write a program to find whether a given number is divisible by 2. So what are the conditions whether a number is divisible by 2? You have to tell me first. Then only I can write the program.
The last picture is the enter
Wait, one by one. Wait, wait. Naman is going to tell. Yeah, Naman, you have Harshvardhan. Wait, let Naman say. Yes, Naman.
First we'll write CLS, then we'll give input,
No, 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 no.
enter now,
I don't want
then
program. I don't want program. I want the concept. I want the rules. What are the rule for or the formula to know or the rules or the concept to know whether a given number is divisible by 2 or not? Divisibility rule. I want that rule. You have
we
learned
have
this
to
in
check
class 6.
whether, yes, sir.
Yeah, I
So
want.
first we have to check that in the ones place whether the number is even or not.
No, my
If it
dear.
is
Bye bye.
even, then
No,
it,
Naman, you are wrong. Next. Next. I will tell you why you are wrong. I am remembering something. Okay, Tenjin, you want to say something. Yeah, Tenjin, say.
okay.
Then who want to say? अरे यार इतने होनहार बच्चे हो तुम लोग कुछ तो कहो कोई all of you are good in maths I know Saina Devashri yeah tell me help me out time is running out I have to write a program I want the divisibility rule you have studied in this class chapter number I अरे you can get your math book from drawer and check ना that also you can't do भाग के जाओ maths का book लाओ and Arey yaar, I want the divisory rule of 2. This for this topic you have given a test. Naman, you are wrong. If you can refine your answer, then it will be correct. Wait, Krishano is saying something. Krishano, yes. Yes.
Number should be 2, 4, 6, or additional given number is 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0.
Yeah, Saina, you are right. You are right. Now, what you say, repeat it again. Yeah, Naman, therefore you are wrong because you have not said the zero. You said only the even numbers. Zero is not an even number. Okay, so you have to get.
Should be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8.
Yes. Okay, so Saina, have you cheated from the book?
No.
Okay. Okay, fine.
Sir.
Yes.
All background will be connected.
Okay, now, wait. Now, class, I have another situation, another problem. You said me that so the last digit should be 02468. Now, how I can extract the last digit of a number? When I write program, how I'll extract the last digit of a number?
No idea.
No idea. Please use your brain. In brain, something should go on. There should be a brain session in your brain, wear and tear in your brain, so that you will. Okay. So shall I help you out? Yes or no? Okay. I will give you a hint. Okay. I will give you a hint. You divide a number. If you divide a number, then you may get the last digit of the number. I don't know how. You think I given you the hint? Okay. Anyone? No one. Okay. Okay. Now, other hint. Divide a number by 10 and see whether you get the last digit or not. I don't know where you'll get the last digit. I'm giving only 1 minute. Think fast. Harshvardhan is cheating in computer, I know.
I'm cheating on what? I'm not cheating. I had the idea.
Okay, now tell me the idea. What is the idea?
Sorry. So the idea that I have thought is thought by you later on.
Why? Now in the class, let us, all of us listen to the idea. Yes, who is that?
Sir,
Yes, Naman.
sir, I have created my own program for checking whether the number is divisible by 2 or not.
Wow, very good. Tell me.
Sir, I have also made what number has made. Sir, can I write the programming checkbox?
Uh, you present. Can you present? No.
Okay, sir, I can present.
You can present. No, okay. You start presenting. My presentation will. You can take over my presentation. You start presenting.
Okay, sir. Sir, if I do not know like this, sir, if I do not know this, I can
Wait,
surely know this.
wait. Let me see.
Exactly, sir.
No, Naman. No, I will not use this. We will not take this concept. Okay. If I can do this, then where is the use of the divisibility rule? Where is the use of the divisibility rule? I said that you have to use the divisibility rule. Okay, Naman, you stop your presentation. I am presenting.
I also made the same thing. I am very
Okay,
ashamed
doesn't
of my
matter, doesn't matter. Therefore, I am going to guide you. Don't worry. Okay, so let us see the program. Okay. Before that, a very simple concept is the remainder. If you divide any number by 10, what remainder will you get? The last digit. Check it. Divide any number by 10. You will get the remainder, the last digit. I'm going to use that concept. Okay, I have used that concept here.
God.
So this is the program. Check it here. Enter a number num. Okay, RE is equal to num mod 10. Now, now it is now it is
R is equal to num mod 10.
yeah. This RE from this RE I have extract the remainder. That is, it is going to give me the last number, the last digit of a number. Okay, any number that you enter, I will show you. Okay, then what I've used, if r is equal to 2 or r is equal to 4 or r is equal to 6 or r is equal to 8 or r is equal to 0, then print entered number is divisible by 2. Else print entered number is not divisible by 2. So
Why you are not accepting?
what is so easy? Now see, it is F5. See, if you know the concept, programming is very easy. If you don't know understand the concept and how and when or where you are going to use different type of operators, and then it is really hard. It is even harder than the maths. In maths, if you know the formula you can do it, but here you know everything, but if your logic is not coming out, you can't write the program. Okay, here I am entering so 45. Okay, see, 45 is not divisible by 2. Okay, next I am using, say, 40. Okay, 40. See, this is by 2. Okay, next. I am using, say, 14. You can give me any number. Okay, of course, the number here, see, this is by 2. So, see, this is this by 2. The second program that we have done, then the third one. अरे कहाँ गया? So, 1, 2, and the third. I can show only 2 of this. Okay, so this is the way we can do. Here I have basically shown you how we are going to use the OR operator. Remember this. Is it clear to all of you? Class, is it clear to all of you? Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes,
so
sir.
see how you think, that is important here. Okay, this will come by practice only. Now,
She's working in China
yeah,
because she herself is saying that she's not a good programmer.
I will talk to her later on. Okay, now, is this is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
in this Sunday, okay, I will try to send you the video of this. The same thing, the way I am discussing, everything is being recorded here. Okay, and you are going to see it in the next this Sunday. Plus, I will give you some assignment. Okay, where I will give you some question where you are going to use the and or operator. Okay, plus, I will also give you some question where I just want to know whether you can and find a error in the program that is given, and also can you write the output of the program that is given. On the basis of that, I am going to take the next class. Next class will be our last class for this QBasic. Okay. So, if any doubt, anyone, you can ask me now, especially for this and or.
How
I can't get you. What you're saying?
I know, I think I also know. I also can be possible sir. I want to sir, we can give color to the output screen of the QBasic window. That's only I'm saying. What is the sir?
Okay, wait. I will class it. I will show you one more thing. Okay, which actually I had discussed with Naman. Okay,
Wow. Oh sir, it is my song. I have created.
okay, now this is now see this
I
program. Okay, here I have taken basically when you are going to write a big program, listen first. When you are going to write a big program, you have clearly defined what type of variables you are going to take at the beginning. Okay, this is a general. We basically do like this when you're going to write a big program. Basically, this is a again this you may not know, but this is a procedural programming. Okay, in this we have to declare the variable first. In the there is another type of programming paradigm. Okay, known as the object-oriented programming. The examples are C++, Java, all those, and there are many different type of programming paradigms. Now, in this, we have to declare the wait. Please let me first discuss this. Okay, here I have taken a list of variables that I'm going to use. Okay, and the naming is I have given such a way that I should know. Of course, when you're going to write a professional program, okay, then you have to write a remarks here that for what purpose you're going to use this. Say, for example, here I've used left dollar, mid dollar, right dollar. This basically is actually now we have not discussed in detail about the functions of the string functions basically. Okay, so here it is actually out of the syllabus since Naman has sent me one particular program. I gone through it and he has not used so much, but here see I will just run a program. Okay, you will see the thing. Here I will enter my date of birth as today's date, then only you can listen to the song. Otherwise, you will not be able to listen to that song. Okay, you can enter any name that you want here because here name is not so important. Here the if condition is here the last one. Okay, and here see the way I have got the things. Just say I am writing to avoid time. Okay, to save time. So I'm doing anything here. Okay, now it is saying you have to enter the date in this constant. So I'm writing 29, 10, say 1998. Okay, and enter. I don't know why I'm not able to hear.
Sound. Sir,
Uh,
can't hear the sound.
yeah, I am
Sir, I can't
also.
hear put your volume.
Yeah, yeah, it is.
Sir, your volume is
Wait, all of you,
Naman, how did you make the program?
all of you, please be quiet. Okay, it will be echo. Okay, it will echo. Okay. All of you remain quiet. I am writing it again. Then only you can listen to it. If you say, then there will be echo. Okay, just hold it. There will be echo for this. 29, 10, say 98. Okay, now I'm unmuting my thing here. Got it?
Sir, I have seen half of that, but how did you create the full song?
I've also taken help from internet because of this I don't know. Okay, somewhere by luck I have got this particular
I made a song
small
and
code.
I have made a song with a loop. Then I run somewhere.
Not now, not now, not now. Okay, class. So this you can see I have used many different things that is not taught to you. Those who are interested can see the little details of all this, how I have extended the date here and all those. Okay, and This is all actually Naman has sent me this program. Okay, and he requested me just, to do it real time. To do it in real time, you have to have the knowledge of a database, and this program should always run in the background. Okay, then only when this once that date will come, it will be activated. Okay, it should check every time whether the date is which is in the database is coming or not. Then only you can do this. So here it is a really a
This is
complicated
my
program.
reminder.
Huh?
This is my reminder program.
Yeah, this is a reminder program.
I have created it myself by using the calculator.
Yeah, but here it is not so. It is okay, but not so perfect. Okay, because here we have to get the data from the. We have to store the data. Then we have to always search, see the data, check the data. Then whether the date is matching, then only it should remind. Okay, for that it should always be active. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so it is not so easy programming that you're thinking of. I just shown you one code of a birthday, how I'm going to check. That is simply only one small code that will be used there. Okay, and we have to save this in file.
Okay, sir.
So good that you have thought of those. Okay, and if any other doubt you have, you may ask me. Okay. And see, these are different programs that we have done. Okay, and
Sir,
yes,
this is my calculator.
you have not sent me.
It was good.
You have not sent
Sir,
it
can
to
I
me,
know?
Naman. Okay, you can send me your calculator thing. Okay, I will go through it. So, class, I think we should call out the class. If any doubt, you can ask in 5 minutes. Spandan, I'm making you present.
Sir,
You
can
are,
we leave?
yeah, you can leave now. And as I said, we can discuss the things.
Sir,
Yes.
bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, bye bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Yeah,
Bye, sir.
what number you are saying?
Bye, sir.
Bye.
So let me speak to you, okay?
Okay.
Now I'm showing the program.
Okay.
They command with loops. If you can hear it, tell it to me. That's
Wait,
why I'm doing something. Okay?
wait. Let me see. What you're presenting. What you're presenting? Remove.
That's the sound I'm doing.
Keep it aside. This update. This loop thing. Move it side. Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, sometimes you and Harsha can do a meeting and creating a game.
Good. You can
What
do
you
it.
please say?
But it is not so.
Sir,
It is not easy. Yeah, it is not easy. You should have deep knowledge of everything.
sir, I learned that five commands and command one. Or someone else, can you please send me the file you sent in the class? That was completely wrong, and then if you run it, it will be blank. So I think I knew it. I was better.
Okay, okay,
Okay, now
don't
you
fight,
send
don't
your.
fight. Okay, don't fight.
I don't have your number.
Okay, wait. Hey,
Someone
Vyom,
join
where
with
are
me.
you? Vyom, I'm not seeing you. Vyom,
Raman,
Vyom चला गया.
Raman, join my meeting. I have sent you the link. Please
Okay,
send me also the link.
bye bye, bye
What
bye.
was already have sent it? Sir, I will send you one in the link that I have sent to Harsha. Okay,
Okay,
sir.
fine.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Raman, join it.